Hey everyone! I'm so excited to share this video with you because this cheesecake is really good and it's totally worth mentioning that the filling tastes like cheesecake mousse. Let's make first our crust. Ilagay lang ang crushed graham at melted butter sa isang bowl. And make sure to coat it properly. Next, ay ilalagay na rin natin ito sa spring form pan and press the crumb mixture to flatten. Just a tip, when pressing the crumb using a cup of glass, push and twist para masiksik ng maigi ang crumb. Then put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. So guys, eto na yung homemade cream cheese natin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ginawa ito. Meanwhile, gagawa na tayo ng filling. Gamit ang electric mixer, beat the cream cheese with medium speed until smooth. Then, lalagyan naman natin ng vanilla essence at calamansi juice. At imimix lang natin ulit using electric mixer and set it aside. So guys, gagamit din tayo ng all-purpose cream. Make sure lang na it's chilled. Mix it until double the size. Pour the whipped cream into our cream cheese and mix it again until soft. Gamit naman ang agar-agar powder, ihahalo natin ito sa 1/4 cup of warm water at ibabad for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, ipapatong natin ito sa isang bowl at lalagyan ng mainit na tubig sa side. Make sure not to put it sa agar-agar mixture, okay? Pag na-dissolve na maigi ang agar-agar, ihalo na rin ito sa cream cheese mixture at haluin maigi. Lastly, pour our mixture into our springform pan and flatten it with spatula. Lagyan na rin natin ng blueberry jam and spread it using a fork like this. Guys, if you're interested to learn paano gumawa ng blueberry jam, just comment down below. Lastly, put it on the fridge overnight. Finally, unclasp the sides of the pan to remove the cheesecake. But, gamit ang hot towel, idampi lang natin ito outside the pan para mas mabilis at madaling matanggal. That's it! So guys, for the cream cheese, pour full fat milk in a saucepan. Let it boil and turn off the heat immediately. Mix constantly using a spatula and pour a mixture of 5 tablespoons vinegar and 1/4 cup water. Gradually add the vinegar mixture, and if you will see that the milk starts to curdle, it means that the cheese is going up. Pour in the strainer with cheesecloth and immediately wash it with cold water to stop it from cooking. Leave it there for 15 minutes and put it on the blender. And blend it until smooth and creamy. You can add 2 tablespoons of whey if necessary. That's it! You can now make your own cream cheese. This can last 7 to 10 days into a fridge. So classy, smooth, creamy, pwedeng for occasion, at lalong pwedeng pang business ang ating cheesecake with homemade cream cheese. So love it! Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button. Thanks! See ya!